Click this plus sign, then click Edit Video, add the plain black as our main project, then choose 1:1 format. Click the clip then adjust to 2:1s. Click this to add overlay, then add the mirror shot photo, and adjust it to 2.0 seconds. Duplicate it, then click mask, then paint the hand part like this. Add again overlay, then add different photo. Adjust it to 2.0 seconds. Click all effects, then scene. Click and hold the Holy effect to apply it to our overlay. Click keyframe, then add effects from 3D. Add the iPhone or choose from those phone. Now adjust the rotation Y to 180 degree. Adjust the position of your phone. Then click this to adjust the color of the phone. Hold this then move it down. To be able to show the hand. Click the first overlay, then keyframe to add effects. Add the effect pinch or bludge. Add keyframe on the start, and here at the second dot. While the first keyframe is red, adjust the bend to -100, and the radius to 100. Check, then add pinch or bulge effect again. Add keyframe here, and at the end of the clip, then adjust the bend to -100, and the radius to 100. Now add again effect, minimax blur. Add keyframe here, and here then adjust the intensity. Click this, and copy all effects. Click the second overlay. Click keyframe then paste all effects. Then delete the minimax blur effect. Click the third overlay. Then do the same step we did on second overlay. The iPhone get bigger, so just bring it back to its position. Click keyframe then click the effect phone. Click rotation Y, then add keyframe on the second dot, and here at the fifth dot. Then adjust the rotation Y back to 0, then check. Click transform, then click scale, then add keyframe on second, and between the fourth and fifth dot. Then adjust the scale to 216. Add keyframe also at the position, then adjust it on the first keyframe. Now, we're gonna edit the hand. Click transform, then add keyframe on the position. Then take away the hand from the phone like this, while the end keyframe is red. This adjustment depends to the position of the picture you got. Now click rotation, then add keyframes. While the second keyframe is red, adjust the rotation, depends of what you like. So we're done. Click this to export and save it. Thank you for watching.